Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to change a person's nickname in Messenger. It's a great way to personalize your conversations and make them more fun and engaging. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to a certain chat. Next, go to the chat where you want to change someone's nickname. It can be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Once you are in the chat, tap on the name of the person whose nickname you want to change. This will bring up a menu with some options. Step 3. Tap on Nickname. In the Customization section, you'll see an option that says Nickname. Tap on it. Step 4. Set the nickname. Now, you can set the nickname for that person. You can set nicknames for yourself and others, but note that others will get a notification that you changed your name. So be mindful of that. You can set a funny or unique nickname that reflects that person's personality or interests. For example, if your friend loves pizza, you can name them Pizza Lover. Step 5. Save the changes. Once you've set the new nickname, tap on Save to save the changes. That's it. You've successfully changed the person's nickname in Messenger. In conclusion, changing a person's nickname in Messenger is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. It's a great way to add some personality and fun to your conversations. Remember, you can set nicknames for yourself and others, but others will get a notification that you changed your name. So, be mindful of that. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.